Hi, here's a little tip about fueling and using jerry cans. These two cans were left beside our fuel tank to be filled up. And I just want to go through what's acceptable and what is safe and what isn't. You can see this particular one has no cap on here, so it could not be filled up without risking splashing. It also has no cap on the air breather vent, and personally I think that's a mistake also. What happens is you fill it up, you go to set it down, and it splashes out here and spits on in the back of the truck. It spits on your clothes, stuff like that. It's just not a good idea. Also, when I opened up this one, I found a lot of dirt in the bottom. We have to realize that that dirt goes directly into the tank and through the fuel filter of the machine, which is designed to remove particles and keep the machine clean. But at the same time, our first line of defense is to make sure that these are kept clean. And often if this is in the back of the truck and there's dust flying around, stuff's going in here, this just isn't good. If you want to take it one step further, we would look at the cleanliness. This particular one, we're going to lift this up to put it in the back of a machine. We're going to get the greasy diesel on our clothes. I really think it's a good idea to keep these clean. Using a proper cap in here, making sure that your spout has no cracks in it also. If I take this one out, you can see that it's here, but making sure that it has no cracks in it so that the fuel isn't spilling out elsewhere also. Okay, and so that's it. Let's keep that in mind when we're filling up and using our diesel jerry cans and our gas ones.